It's not a piece of paper. Pip the piglet came to school. She had a big smile. "Hello, friends," she said. Pip held up a piece of paper. "What is this?" she asked. "Just a piece of paper," the student said. "No," said Pip. "It's not just a piece of paper." Pip folded the paper. "Look," she said. "It's an aeroplane." Zoom! Pip made it fly. Next, she rolled it up tight. "Now it's a telescope," she said. "I see stars." Then she folded it into a square shape. "It's a box," she said. "A box for my treasures." After that, she rolled it into a thin tube. "It's a straw," she giggled. Slurp, slurp. Pip took another piece of paper. She cut some holes. "It's a mask. Look, who am I?" Next, she drew and then said, "Look, it's a map. Find the buried treasure." Then she folded the paper once. "Look, it's a birthday card." Then she rolled the paper. "Hey, get some water. It's a funnel." Next, Pip jumped forward. "Look, it's a work of art. My own Picasso." After that, she crumpled the piece of paper into a ball. "Snowball fight," she said. Finally, Pip folded the paper many times. It turned into a beautiful swan. Pip smiled. "A piece of paper can be so many things," she said. "What else can a piece of paper be?" Pip asked. "What can you make?" The end.